AOC 46.
2:18 in the morning on Interstate 95. This Infiniti driver is acting strange. He is speeding up and slowing down right next to the cruiser. When he cuts across lanes without a signal and nearly hits the officer, things get serious. Officer Cofield stays back and watches. He is waiting for the right moment to pull the vehicle over.
Dispatch, copy traffic. Disregard vehicle fled and he just crashed. Oh, Lord.
C45, 16, where are you?
I'm gonna be under the tunnel. Under the tunnel. Lord. If you're coming 95 southbound, it's gonna be exit 55 going straight, not taking that right. Lord.
County Highway.
10-4. Vehicle's totaled. Going to check on the operator.
As soon as they turn onto East McComas Street, the Infiniti disappears into a cloud of smoke. Officer Cofield knows this is bad. Before he even gets out of the car, he needs to get help moving. He calls it in on the radio and requests medics immediately. In a wreck at this speed, every second counts.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
C45 dispatch. I'm entering 401 right now. I'm being wrestled.
16 dispatch, can you start medics? It's going to be 2 individuals ejected from vehicle. Sir! 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 Sir!
Hello?
Sir!
C46, starts with VRT, so we gotta shut down the roadway.
Sir!
This way, this way.
46 black.
Sir!
C13 to responding units. It's going to be near the CXS. Rail station entrance. Closer to South Hanover Street.
He's ejected it. Can't do anything. Right here.
The car is unrecognizable. Investigators later found that it hit a wall, went airborne, and slammed into a support pillar at over 117 miles per hour. At that speed, safety features do not matter. The impact was so violent that both people inside were thrown from the vehicle.
Can you have MDTA respond to the Fort Lot 300?
Ten four. Are we still having the ramp shut down?
It's one here. The other one's in the windshield.
Check on that. Check on it.
Yeah. He's gone.
Responding units. Let's divert traffic. We're gonna have to shut this road down here.
It's gone.
26. I got it blocked off. That is access road up here.
Thank you. Him and him.
Where's the other person?
In the window.
26 AOC, can you just advise the RT to block traffic at my vehicle at that access road?
I don't even want to touch him. Yeah. Hold it. Roll him over?
Yeah, start CPR.
The chase is over, and now it is about saving lives. Despite the danger they just put everyone in, the officers start life-saving measures immediately. They check for a pulse and start chest compressions. But the force of the collision was just too much for the human body to handle.
Thank you.
Switch.
On September 17, 2025, the Maryland Attorney General's Office released the final report on this investigation. The driver was identified as Gabriel Omar Castillo, and the passenger was Ezequiel Eduardo Garcia Chicas. After reviewing every second of the footage and the black box data, the office determined that Officer Jamal Cofield acted within the law. No criminal charges will be filed in this case. But beyond the legal ruling, this tragedy offers a look into the complex nature of high-speed encounters. From a behavioral standpoint, we see how a split-second decision can trigger a flight response that overrides all logic. 117 miles per hour is a point of no return where a vehicle becomes almost impossible to control. Legally, this case centers on the principle of the totality of circumstances, meaning the officer responded to the danger created by the driver's actions. However, this also brings up the ongoing national debate regarding no pursuit policies. Some argue that high-speed chases in urban areas carry too much risk for the public, while others believe that not pursuing allows dangerous individuals to escape accountability. It is a delicate balance between enforcing the law and ensuring public safety. What is your take on this balance? Do you think the pursuit was justified given the driver's initial actions, or should the risk of high speed change the protocol? Share your perspective in the comments below. We value your insights. If you found this analysis helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Blue Line Raw for more deep dives into these critical moments.